This is the program exercise named Whistle under the Java course. It's Java programming part 4, exercise number 5. Now the problem asks us to create a class named Whistle under this section. So let's create a new class, Java class, and name it Whistle. And then it asks us to add a private string sound to the class and also create a constructor which is public under the same name that takes a single parameter named whistle sound that's of type string. So let's just go to the Java class, whistle class, and then let's create our first. To create a constructor, so constructor is the class and takes a single parameter that is and after that we have to create a method public void sound. Keep the methods after the constructor. So let's void sound that prints the whistle sound. So it has to print Now let's go to the main and then just call our method. So first of all, let's create an object whistle whistle equals to good. And we have to pass a parameter. Object that's whistle dot sound. So now let's try and run the program and see what happens. So there we have our output. And now let's just submit this and see if we get any errors. So yeah, all tests have passed on the server, and that's all. Thank you.